Alright guys, I'm going to do a bike check today. People have been asking me to, so... yeah. Alright, how shall we start off? Seat. Got a Colony pivotal seat. It's freaking comfiest seat ever. Got a duo seat post. I just painted it because it was green and it was really ugly. KMC chain, I love them. They're freaking strong. Yeah. DK social cranks. They're like super strong. Like I can't even tell you how strong they are. And they're 3-piece, 48 spline. No second bolt. I hate that second bolt right there. It's cheap looking and gay. Tree sprocket. Super light. Super strong. Never had any problems with it. Odyssey twisted PC pedal. I love them. And back here I got a Odyssey 7KA rim on Odyssey tire with a profile mini 3.8 hub female. And I've got a Subrosa Malum 2012 dirt frame. See? Subrosa. It looks like crap right now. My whole bike does because I'm rawing it, so I'm just gonna kind of make it like chromish, I guess. Got some Colony bar ends. They're just rubber, you know. They're alright though. They're strong. Got Colony grips. They feel really good. They're comfy, but they wear out easy. I've only had these for like a week, and they're wearing out like a lot. But got some Shadow Voltus bars, 9s. I need 9.5s because I don't really like small bars. These are small to me. Got Odyssey Lincoln stem. It's freaking the best stem I know of because it's the only stem I'll ride. Got some Sunday Octave forks. Freaking some awesome forks. I stripped out that top bolt. Not stripped it out, but yeah. Animal headset because I love Animal. Got another Odyssey 7KA rim with my little 45 caliber bullet thingy valve cover. Got profile mini 3.8 front hub here, female too. Riding a Maxxis tire, and it's got a lot of freaking grip. Alright, and that's my bike.